In this lecture, you're going to learn how to avoid duplicate content within your website to the eyes of Google by modifying the index, no index, follow, and no follow tags. I believe that you have already installed Yoast SEO plugin, as we have said that several times in the course in the previous lectures. So now go to SEO and select titles and metas. Then come to Taxonomies tab and then select No Index for tags. Why are we selecting No Index for tags, or what this does? When you select this No Index, even if Google can access or crawl the tags pages, they will not index it, which means those tags URL will not be shown in search results too. But why should we do that? Isn't it beneficial? It's because the content which you publish in post appears the same in homepage, the same in page 2, page 3 archives, date archives, category archives, and also tags archives or tags pages. So the same content is appearing multiple times in multiple URLs, but the content is same. So in the eyes of Google, this may appear as a duplicate content. You may have only 50 to 60 posts or pages, but the number of indexed pages may go around 100 to 200. From where these number of indexed posts or pages came? They are all the duplicate content, which means your tag pages, your category pages, your monthly, daily, and yearly archives, and also your author pages. For example, this is the home page, which consists of the recent 5 posts, so it contains almost half content of every post. And here comes the full extension of our first post. But when I choose or when I click one of these tags, it displays the same content as homepage or the first half of all the posts that are assigned these tags. So what will Google think about this one? Google will think that the same content is duplicated across various URLs. So this is the reason you need to no index the tag pages or the archives which you don't want to be indexed or which are not necessary to appear in search result pages. So that's the justification. So come to taxonomies tab and no index tags pages. Sometimes users may directly search for the important categories in your website. For example, if I am running a computer hardware site at inspirearun.com, users may search for Inspire Arun processors or inspirearun.com graphic card like that. So in such case, it's better to leave categories pages indexed. So don't change index meta tag for categories. The only meta tag which you should make no index is tags under the taxonomies page. Now click Save Changes and come to Archives. My suggestion is to keep the author archives enabled but keep them no indexed. If you are running a few authors blog, then most of the content that appears in the post, in the home page, the category page will be almost same as the author archives. So it's better to keep them no indexed, and hence I selected no index meta tag for author archives. By default, Yoast SEO will assign no index for date-based archives, and I suggest you to leave it as it is. Now click Save Changes. Coming to the other tab, Subpages of Archives. This is nothing but the subpages of home page. When we come down to the end or bottom section of our home page, you can see the pages, that is page 2, page 3, page 4, etc. All the content in the subpages will be similar to the content of individual posts, right? So you don't need to index them, but you need to index the page 1 alone, which is your home page. So to disable the indexing of subpages of archives, select no index and click save changes. This is the latest version of Yoast SEO plugin. So wherever you click no index, automatically it's assigned follow tag, which means all the links in that no index page will be followed by Google's spider bot, but they won't be indexed. So it will pass on all the link juice, but just they won't appear on the search result. Also, it increases the number of words per indexed post. So, I suggest you to do as I have shown in this lecture. In the next lecture, you will learn how to deal with the pages or posts that are not found on your website. Simply, we can say 404 error pages.